If you spend hours every week doing repetitive tasks, this video is about to change how you work. I'm sharing 5 AI automations you can set up in under 30 minutes, absolutely zero coding required. Welcome to Smart Tech Lab, where AI, productivity, and security come together to help you work smarter, not harder. Let's jump straight in. First up, email to task automation. Imagine never missing another action item in your inbox. With just ChatGPT, Gmail, and Todoist, you can have AI scan your emails, pull out those must-do tasks, and drop them directly onto your checklist. No more digging through endless email threads. Your to-dos are right where you need them. Next, meeting notes to summary. We all know the pain of sifting through messy meeting transcripts or, worse, rewriting notes. Now, AI can take recordings from Zoom or Google Meet and instantly produce a clean, readable summary. You get the highlights, bullet points, and key decisions, all delivered straight to your inbox or doc, so you can move on to what matters. Third, the content ideas generator. Ever find yourself stuck staring at a blank page? ChatGPT can help you brainstorm daily content ideas and neatly store them in Google Sheets. It's perfect for creators, marketers, or anyone who needs a fresh stream of inspiration. No more creative blocks. Number 4, smart expense tracking. If you're tired of manually sorting receipts, this one's for you. AI can automatically categorize your business expenses in Google Sheets. Whether you're a freelancer or running a small business, your spending is always organized, accurate, and ready for tax time. And finally, weekly productivity report. Imagine ending every week with an AI-generated report showing exactly what you completed, what slipped through the cracks, and where you can improve. It's like having a personal assistant tracking your progress and keeping you accountable, without any extra effort. Quick security tip: always avoid sending sensitive data to AI tools. Use placeholders or anonymized info whenever possible to protect your privacy. So, there you have it. These 5 automations can easily save you hours every week, and the best part is, you can set them up today. If you found these tips helpful, hit that subscribe button for more AI workflows and cybersecurity tips every single week. Thanks for watching Smart Tech Lab.